If you stay with me, I promise you this, I will fix more relationships for you than I ever fixed in any of my viral videos before. Your job is only 3 things. Number 1, like this video. Number 2, comment, I'm with myself. Number 3, follow exactly what I say. If you don't follow the steps, even if they come back, they will not stay. I'm serious. I'm not saying all this to increase reach or to entertain you. I'm saying it because it's the truth. So listen to every word with full attention. There may be 1,000 reasons why they left you. You watched my videos or someone else's videos. You learned different tips, different tricks. And yes, they came back. But then what happened? They left again. After 1 month, 2 months, they disappeared again. So what did you gain? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So is there a way to bring them back and make sure they never leave again? Yes, there is. Let me tell you a story. There was a man in my area, a kidney patient. His creatinine level went up to 2.5. Maybe you don't know what that means. 2.5 means his kidneys had already started to fail. The doctor told him, if it increases even a little more, we will have to start dialysis. So he followed every instruction the doctor gave, every rule, every routine, day after day, month after month. 5 months, 6 months, 7 months later, his creatinine went back to normal, below 1, completely normal. And then he thought, I'm cured. My kidneys are fine now. And he started living carelessly again, drinking, partying, eating anything he wanted. And when he tested his blood again, his creatinine was above 3. Dialysis. Why did this happen? Because the kidney was still weak. It looked normal, but it wasn't fully healed. Your relationship is exactly like this. You think your kidney, your relationship, is healed, but it's still weak, very weak. They came back because they saw a strange, beautiful change inside you. That change attracted them back. But the moment they returned, you slowly slipped back into your old self. The same behaviors, the same mistakes that made them leave you in the first place. That's why they left again. So what should you do now? I will put a link in the description. If you've watched it, watch it again. If you haven't, watch it with full focus. Follow it exactly as I explain. When they come back, you must never show excitement, never call your friends, never announce your happiness. Your relationship is not fully healed. Your kidney is still weak, so you cannot show your excitement to anyone. And the most important rule, never show your weakness again. Not to them, not to friends, not to anyone. Only you will know how weak you are for them, no one else. Because when they come back, they're not coming to love you immediately. They come to test you, to check, where did you get this energy from? Is this new version fake? Is this attitude temporary? If they suspect you're acting, they will leave again. So what do you have to do? You must change completely. Return to the version of yourself that existed long ago, the version they once fell in love with. Normal behavior, stable behavior, healthy behavior, not emotional drama, not guilt-tripping, not blaming. Many people make these 2 deadly mistakes when their partner comes back. Mistake 1, blaming them. See, you couldn't live without me. Where were you all this time? Why did you leave? Explain yourself. Mistake 2, excessive joy, too much excitement, too much emotion, crying, saying things like, my life is complete again. Both mistakes destroy the relationship again. You will not do either. You will not ask, why did you leave me? Why did you come back? Those answers are never fully true. Let their reasons stay inside their own mind. Instead, talk calmly, talk less, listen more. If they try to explain why they left, stop them. If they try to explain why they returned, stop them. You don't need to know, and they don't need to say it. Let the curiosity stay alive. Now comes step 2. You are not acting strong. You are strong, not incomplete without them, not broken without them. You are whole, and because you exist in their life, they feel complete. Your smile will show confidence. Your words will show maturity. You will not blame. You will not accuse. You will not overreact. You will not overlove. You will not suffocate them with attention. Yes, You will love, you will show respect, but you will not put them on your head again. Those days are gone. You will not say, "I couldn't live without you. I almost died. I was shattered." No, you will say nothing like that. You were quiet because you believed they would return, and you were right, because you know, no one can love them the way you do. No one can protect them the way you can. No one can be with them the way you were. Even without words, they will feel this. And remember, just because they came back does not mean you talk for hours every day. Your time has value. They are one part of your life, not your entire life. You have friends, you have family, you have responsibilities, you have your own world. If you cling to them all day, their curiosity will die and your relationship will collapse again. Talk less. Talk meaningfully. If a conversation is needed, talk longer. If not, even 4 minutes is enough. Don't make talking an addiction. Let conversations build naturally. Now the most powerful point, start writing. One written line has more emotional power than 100 spoken words. Write letters, write your thoughts, write your dreams, write your feelings. When we write, we pour from the deepest part of our heart. And when they read, they feel every word with their eyes, their mind, their emotions, and even their touch. Writing creates deeper emotional bonding than talking ever can. Now the final and most important point. If you feel your respect decreasing, increase your distance. Distance brings clarity. Distance brings respect. Distance prevents breakups. Most couples fight for the same 5 to 10 reasons. Avoid those topics completely. Slowly, those topics disappear. Arguments reduce. Peace returns. You cannot prevent arguments forever, but you can prevent arguments from surviving till tomorrow. Today's conflict must end today. Never extend it to the next day. If you can do this, they will come back, and they will never leave again. Control yourself. Everything is in your hands, not mine. No matter where you watch my videos, I will always be on YouTube. Search, and you will find me. Like the video. Subscribe. Comment this with full honesty. I'm with myself. I'm holding my own hand. Because when you're with yourself, you're with me. Stay well. Stay loved. Stay strong. If you are good, everything around you becomes good. This is enough for today.